Have you ever made hot, tasty funnel cakes right in your home? I'm gonna show you how it's done here at FUNOHCAKES. You're gonna whisk that batter up like this. You gotta turn that bowl. You know how you do when you turn that bowl. It looks like our oil is nice and hot. We want the oil to be about 375 to about 400. We don't want it too hot because you don't want them burnt funnel cakes. You want it to be nice, fluffy on the inside and nice and crunchy on the outside. Today we're gonna do some strawberries, some fresh cut strawberries with some whipped cream with a little bit of chocolate sauce. You know, you got those little strawberries and chocolate in there, so we're gonna bring it all together. Bring in the whipped cream. Where my funnel cake lovers at? Tell me that wasn't dynamic. Oh, you should taste the smell. You should smell the taste. It's just all in the house, and I'm sure the neighbors gonna come knocking on the door talking about where the funnel cake's at. So look, man, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Come check us out. FUNOHCAKES. You can go ahead and order you some funnel cake mix right here on our website or our Facebook. Come check us out. Man, I'm about to devour this funnel cake. It's going down. This is that good. Powdered sugar all over. You ain't right unless you got powdered sugar all over your face.